Hi, so I'm Yaslynn and today we're making slime, but we have yellow food color. So first you need a container, like a pencil case, and make sure it's colorful. I don't know why, but you still have to do it colorful. And now you have to use your glue. So first you have to get 2 white glues and pour the first one. And this is white. I want it to be white because white shows up our food coloring, and colorful does not because it's color. And food coloring is color. That's why they call it coloring. It looks like shaving foam because when you look up closely, it looks like shaving cream, but it's not. It's glue. There's a lot of glue in this. So I just gotta finish pouring this out, and now I just gotta close it. I made a big mess, but it's okay. So now we're pouring the second one. This is very hard to open. Got it now. It's like hard. That's a lot. I think it's gonna be a lot because look at the lines. It's just how long. I didn't know it's gonna be a lot of glue because I done slime before. And it turned out a little smaller but big. But I didn't use this. I used this in some slimes, but I only used that one and this one together. And I use glitter glue sometimes. The reason why I'm not using glitter glue is because I'm using shaving cream. I need a stool. I finished with both of my glue. Now I gotta add just a little bit of food coloring. Oh no, I got it on my hands. That's bad because it stains your skin. I'm gonna pour a little bit in each eye. Just only 4 dots because I don't want it to be too dark. Now we're gonna mix. Ooh. It's getting like an orangey color. If it gets the color that I don't want it to be, I'm just gonna add more food coloring. It's like a yellowy duck fur. It's like that. So that was way too little. I'm just gonna add some on the sides so it could make a little cool texture. It's turning out great so far. I think I've never been able to make yellow slime because I used all my food coloring for one slime, and it was like how Jack it gets mad and his face turns purple. It looks like that, but let me just keep. I added a little bit more because it was getting too yellowy. Just gotta add a little bit more, but this makes it more yellow. It's okay though, because a lot of colors, it doesn't matter. I got a lot because I needed it to be a different color than light. So I keep on mixing. The whole point for slime is mix and use your muscles because if you don't mix, you're not gonna get slime. I'm gonna get the edges because if it gets stuck in the edges and I'm finished with the slime, it's gonna have more glue to it. And look, when you look at it, it's like so cool because like look at that. It's just like orange but yellow duck fur. So now I'm gonna finish mixing, and now I'm gonna put the white bottle of Tide activator. I need to get the glue out. Put this where? Right here? Oh. Now I'm just going to put it in. I'm only gonna put a little bit because I'm gonna start mixing, and if it's not good, I will add a little bit more. So just now let's start mixing again. I don't know why because the blue bottle of Tide doesn't work, but this one does. I think it's the smell because this one that one smells good, but this one doesn't smell that good. So I think it's the smell because I don't know why it works. It's the same brand. It's coming together, Camera. Look. So now I'm gonna keep on mixing until it gets better. But if it doesn't, I'm gonna add more. Okay, so it looks like it's not working out good. So I'm just gonna go add a little bit more activator. Ooh, too much. I think it's gotta help because that's a lot of slime. A lot of slime and a lot of Tide. It's good. I love that. Oh my God, it's coming out. The Tide, it's coming out. It's okay because first I'm gonna wash this when I finish this. Do this. Oh my God. A lot. Look at this. This is so cool. So now I got this side. Where this food is at. So I gotta put a little bit more in a cup. Because I don't want it to be that much. That was bad. Oh my God, that's a lie. Add a little bit more back. I think that's enough. But if still, I'm gonna add a little bit more now. I'm gonna keep mixing and then add a little bit more and start doing it with my hands. I'm so concentrated. Good, now that's out of the way. Gotta keep on mixing. It keeps on coming out. Because look at that bunch of water. Okay, now I'm gonna go to my hands. I don't like this part because now I gotta use my hands and my hands are so clean. I don't want to get it dirty. Oh my God, it's so cool. It's so cool too. I think I add a lot of glue, but a little bit of activator. Oopsie. I don't know who's gonna get the activator. Please look at my hands now. Carol, can you get the activator? My slime is finally finished. this is how it came out. It's so cool, right? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and give me a huge thumbs up. Bye!